Welcome to the videos for topic 4. Before I introduce topic 4, I want to review a little bit about where we stand now in the training. In topic 1, we installed the model. In topic 2, we began using the model. We learned pretty quickly that if the model is not told otherwise, it will, for each year, write out 3 different output files. The first one is called a parameters output file. The second one is called tables output file. And the third one is called the dump output file. Now, topic 2, we learned how to use that first one, the parameters output file, to double check that the reform JSON file that we specified was in fact correctly communicating to the model what kind of policy reform we wanted to simulate. And then in topic 3, we focused on the second one of those output files, the tables output file. And the table file was the one that had the 3 tables, one for current law, one for the reform, and one for the difference between the two. And it had not on the bottom line, each of these 3 tables had an aggregate totals for the tax liability, and it above the total row, it had full income decile distributions. So you may remember in topic 3, we said, oh, the dump file is pretty large, so let's make the model run faster and tell it, no, we don't want you to write out a dump file. Well, here in topic 4, we're going to look into this whole question of what is the dump file and why does the model have the capability to write this out. So the 3 basic output files that we've just reviewed, the first 2 of them, the tables files and the graphs that can go with it optionally, can carry you a very long way towards conducting a comprehensive analysis of a particular tax reform that you're interested in. But usually, when you get well into an extensive analysis, something will come up, somebody will ask a question, maybe the boss will say after a briefing, well, this is all great, but what about this? And then they ask a question that none of the standard tables or graphs answer. So the question is, how do you conduct that kind of custom analysis? And we're using the English adjective custom to mean tailored or unexpected. There's really no way the model can anticipate every single question that could be asked. So its strategy is to dump output, an output file that will allow you, if you have some other skills, to tabulate any kind of table you want and graph any kind of graph that you can conceivably think of. So that's the focus here. It's a little bit advanced in the sense that doing the custom analysis requires that you have some kind of extra skills over and above just learning how to run the model. So at some level, we could have had this as the last topic. We put it here because it's part of this topic 2, 3, 4 sequence of focusing on the 3 basic output files. The parameters file in 2, the table file in 3, and now the dump output file in topic 4. So we're going to begin the same way that we've started the other introductions. We're going to bring up the Anaconda prompt. We're going to make a working directory. We're going to call it topic 4. We're going to change to topic 4. And we're going to run the tests. And so that means that we started out with a clean directory. Now we have just the basic files that were written by the test. In the next video, we'll pick up here, focusing on how you tell the model what type of dump output file you want it to write out.